Hey everyone, this is our first experience with the boat and we loved it. A friend of ours is a boat club member here and he took us out into the bay this Christmas. If you like to rent a boat near Tampa, there are several rentals available here and they start typically around $300 for half a day. Before you rent, make sure the boat is on the marina and you don't have to haul the boat from inland.
So when you are going this way, it's like a channel will be there. That's a big channel, so they will maintain like a very...
In Florida, you don't need a license to operate a boat if you are born before January 1988.
Yeah.
If you are new to this, they recommend you to take a boater safety course online for everyone's safety.
It's like Indian road. Oh my God.
Opening for that boat. That boat.
Just up. Look at that. That's for them.
As a beginner, I was advised to rent the boat in the morning so you can literally beat the traffic on road as well as in the channel. This channel gets really crowded as the day progresses, and as for the safety rules, to keep it very simple, keep your boat within the markers, follow the speed limit and drive slow until you hit open waters. They call it wake, so no wake. If you are renting in Tampa or Sarasota, then you have to stay within the bay and you cannot go to the Gulf. All the boats are GPS monitored and they will know if you venture out to the Gulf.
So just like our fuel thing, how much fuel is left and how deep it is, the same one. And engine hours, like how many hours engine
Total
run.
238, okay?
So I'm not touching, there will be some.
Yeah.
It's just like fuel use 7 gallons.
Okay.
And that's the throttle.
Huh?
The one on your right. Yeah, that's the throttle.
Yeah. This doesn't have a brake.
Okay.
So only forward and reverse. That's it. Reverse you can use it as a brake,
Brake.
but it just slows you down. It's not like a pedal brake.
Okay. Oh, I can feel the salt in my mouth.
If you have money to burn, there are some very good looking houses and plenty of condos along the channel. Maybe someday I will retire here.